Hey guys, I'm in this house right now. Someone who lived here 6 months just moved out, and I just came to walk through it, see what's going on, if they even had left, because they didn't say anything. And overall the house is pretty filthy, but they did stay here for a long time. They had a dog and they were like 20 to 30-year-old men, not really clean people, so it's to be expected. But what's super weird is this. In this bedroom, they left these Coca-Cola bottles. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Diet Coke, and Dr. Pepper in one of these. There's a couple here, and there's a couple more, which I've already put in the suitcase to take them out. And they're from, there's a date, 1994. 1997. Like, these are old vintage bottles, but why, where did they come from? These look even older. This is Dr. Pepper, I think, here. Good for life. No refill. April 11, 1994 opening day. So, I mean, they're probably still good to drink, but they're probably also worth like $20, $30 a bottle if you manage to sell them. Now there's 6 packs right here, and then another 6 or 5 here, another 5. So let's say someone was to buy them for the price. I looked them up. It's like $10 to $50 per bottle on eBay individually. Let's say you get $10 per bottle. This is 11 times 6. Wait, no, it's not 11. It is 11 times 6. That's 66 bottles times $10 is $660. But honestly, I don't think it's worth it to even try selling them. Would be so much effort to ship them out or find the buyers. So I don't know what's happening with them, but I'm not just dumping them. People go like collecting for vintage bottles in the swamps where people used to throw them away. So I'm sure I can find some use for this, or just try them. Who doesn't want a 40-year-old soda? I'm sure it does taste better though than the current Coca-Colas. Okay, just one left, but before that, there's one more thing they have left other than a couple of like bottles. There's a NASA hoodie here. It's, I think, small. And this jacket, which is looks brand new. Izod. Doesn't look very expensive though. You wanna see some crazy loot? Open it up.
I don't want to open it up.
Open it.
Is it alive?
No. Something I would never expect someone to leave in a house.
Dude, if this is just straight cash.
Cash would be nice.
Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Why?
Take one of them. Read them.
Shut up. They're like antiques. Dr. Peppers. Shut up. Opening day.
1994.
That's pretty crazy. Is this a... Oh no, I thought it was Crystal Pepsi. How much can they sell for?
No, they're like $30 a bottle on eBay.
Nice.
I don't know. Why would someone leave this? It doesn't make sense.
Why,
There are-
why do they have it? Dude, that's crazy. 1968.
Wait, seriously? What the hell? 1968? This I didn't even see that one. I thought the oldest ones were 1991. Here in 1994. Wait, 1968?
Bro, what the fuck?
Super Bowl 1968. That might be worth more. That is so funny.
Did they ask for it back? Dude, that's the oddest thing I've ever seen. Who was it?
They stayed 6 months.
What's up?
They stayed 6 months in this house.
They stayed 6 months in the house.
Yeah. The house was empty, pretty much, just garbage around, and this was in the corner. They left. So.
Dude,
It's
that's
just so weird. You wanna do a taste testing?
No. It probably is make you sick. Definitely collector's item stuff. These are like full sets too. What the fuck?